Travel with time. What truly inspires you? If it's about us, time is the thing. That's why I decided to create this video. If time travel is possible, where are the tourists from the future? In such seconds of decision, entire future are made. When you understand the importance of time, you will also understand the importance of managing your time. Time is very important because a missed chance of proposing your lover at a right time will never occur again, right? Time is very important because life is nothing but a time duration between birth and death. Adopting good time management techniques in your life isn't about squeezing as many tasks as you can into your full day. It's all about simply your working, simplifying, getting things done faster, and doing things better. By doing so, you will have many more times to play, rest, and doing the things that you love and enjoy. Don't try to work hard. Invest in working smarter. Use productive time. Identify the time in your day when you are most effective, the time when you get the most things done. This time is defined as your peak productivity period. When you are planning your time box, dedicate the high priority tasks to be done during your peak productivity period to ensure quality work. In order to make your work fast, just follow this time boxing. Time boxing is simply fixing a time period to work on a specific work. Instead of working on the tasks until it's done, you commit to working on it for a specific amount of time. Effective plan for your study is ideally a time box should be between 30 and 45 minutes. This interval fits with our biological rhythm and also supported by psychology. There is a reason why many schools around the world have kids take break after 45 minutes. This is the reason. Relax efficiently during your break. Don't just sit around and browse your computer. Get out. Just break some fresh air. Keep your mind and head fresh. If you need more than 30 to 45 minutes for a topic, simply break the topic down into 2 or more time boxes. Make it clear when the box is over, don't go over your time. Early to bed, early to rise, make a man healthy and wealthy and wise too. You may never get this time back. You may never know when you are pass on or have little time left. Only at certain times in your life may certain things be enjoyed. For example, when you are young, you have energy to better learn and enjoy strenuous activities. Making the best of your time can mean a large difference in where your life goes for better or bitter. We all have the same amount of hours each day. We cannot store time, borrow it, or save for later use. You can only decide how to allocate it, spending it on activities of higher rather than low value. So, thank you for watching this video. For more interesting things like this, please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, just click a thumb button here. Comment me how I am talking with you all.